Hi everyone, in this quick tutorial, I'll show you how to use the AI filter on DreamFace AI using your phone. So let's get started. First, launch the DreamFace AI app on your phone. Make sure you're on the home page. Then on the home screen, tap on the AI filter option. You'll see the variety of filters to choose from. Then tap upload and select photo from your gallery. Make sure that the photo has a clear face for the better result. And once the photo is uploaded, click animate to process the effect. Wait for it to generate your AI filtered animation. And after the animation is complete, you can now download or share it to your social media. Try different filters for fun and creative result. And that's it. If this tutorial helped you, please don't forget to like and subscribe for more AI tips. Thanks for watching!